Okay, welcome to a video. Okay, this just arrived. You know what? I'm just gonna put it this way for the time being. I don't want to dox myself. Anyway, this is a video that I've been trying to do for quite some time. This is an object. This is a device that I've always wanted to own. And well, if you haven't seen my PlayStation Backbone review video, I suggest you go check that out in order to get some context. If you see the comments in those videos, you realize that there's an avid supporter. The PlayStation Portal supporters, they just, yeah, if you have anything against the PlayStation Portal, they'll come for you. So the main thing that stems to my disappointment of the PlayStation Portal is because it's just a remote play device. It's nothing more. It does nothing other than that, which I can just do it with my phone. So yeah, I thought to myself, how do I own a PlayStation handheld in 2023? So this is what I got right here. That's right. It is a PS Vita 2000 that I managed to track down. You have no idea how hard it is to find this. And I don't even know if it's good or if it's working. I mean, I haven't even opened this yet, so first one for you guys to watch. So let's get it to the unboxing. Okay, that's there we go. Recording. So before opening this, let me give you a little story, a short little story on my experience on how I got a PS Vita in Malaysia. Was it a smooth sailing experience? Was it not? Well, you're about to find out. Plus, if you don't care, you can just skip ahead. So, first of all, I tried to find one nearby where I live. And, well, I found two places that sold the PS Vita still. And, my God, were they a disappointment. They were charging around 600 to 800 ringgit. I mean, pre-owned, but in terrible condition. Like, oh my God, they looked like they would just run across the road or something. There's so many scratches. And those sellers had the audacity to tell me that the condition was good. So I wish I recorded my experience going to the shop and seeing it. Jeez, it was so bad. So I went online, Shopee, obviously, it was the place that I found this device. Store, the seller said that the condition was very good. The reviews were decent, although there were some reviews in those shops that weren't very good. So I'm fingers crossed the seller was telling me the truth and he actually selling me a good condition PS Vita. Well, I guess you're gonna find out if it's good or not. So let's get right. Oh, I haven't opened this one yet. Shit. Okay. Okay, let's just open that. Okay. Again, before opening, this is what the seller said. Great condition, almost flawless, with the box, with the cables and accessories and all that comes with it. So let's see if this lives up to what he said. I'm actually nervous. I wasted so much money. I'm basically broke. So please subscribe, guys. Oh God. Ooh. Okay. Oh, wow. That's nice. He gave a case. And yo. Okay, the box. Obviously, it's been opened, but it's in a very good condition. I mean, like, it's okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me just... First impressions on just seeing what I just unboxed. I'm impressed. Okay, first things first. Let's see the side stuff. Okay, so they gave me a blue color PS Vita casing, which is nice. I'm not sure if it mentioned that they were gonna give it. That's cool. And then obviously the console. And then they gave like a little crystal case for the PS Vita 2. Okay. You might just get a little shout out if this goes well. So, the PS Vita sold roughly a couple years after the 1000 was sold. So, and this was the last one that came out. So in the year 2019 is when they stopped the production of all PS Vitas, which is kind of sad. But yeah, overall, this is fairly good. Like, the box looks decent, bro. There's a little thing sticking out here. I don't know why, but we'll figure that out. So PS Vita 2, the final PlayStation handheld ever sold the last console, handheld console sold. I'm not counting the remote play portal as a console. It's a remote play accessory. Good accessory, but still, it's not a console, okay? So let's get into the unboxing process. Okay, I feel the device moving inside, so it's not exactly in place. So the 1000, the first version of this had 3G, so you could put a SIM card inside and use data, but the updated version, they sort of trimmed it down. They made it slimmer, as you can see over here on the side. Slimmer. They took out the 3G. It's an LCD model screen instead of an OLED, which was in the first one. So, and plus the buttons, they don't light up. I think this button lights up in the 1000 model. So yeah, okay. Let's see the interior. I'm nervous, man. I'm nervous. See, this has my money's worth. Okay, the interior clearly been used. They've given me a Tamagotchi. Okay, a silicone case, which looks kind of. I'm not gonna put that on. What the hell is this? Oh, this looks dirty. I think this was on before. You got your PS Vita manual and all that. Okay. Ooh. Also a screen protector. Okay, you know what? Some of the things are useful. And also this little lanyard. Very nice. I see the device. I'm so terrified. Why am I terrified? Okay, so another thing that they've updated from the 1000 is a normal micro USB cable. I mean, to be fair, for early 2000s, that's decent, because in the 1000 they had a proprietary cable, which means you only could use the cable sold by Sony. And if it broke, which actually was a problem back then you're kind of stuck to use it. Okay, we got the power adapter, fair condition. Okay, let's see the device, shall we? There it is. Okay, you know what? Let's move the box. I'm afraid to go behind. It's clearly used. There's a bit of scuff marks on the analog sticks. There's a bit of gunk, which all cleanable. I'm scared to turn behind, guys. Okay. Okay. It's well, it looks better than what the ones I saw in the shop, but still. So I think this sticker, I can actually like remove it. There's a lot of scratches on the device as well. There's a bit of gunk on the screws. Micro USB. Okay, it's a bit dirty, which is fine. Okay, let's hold on. The screen is all right, I guess. Okay, so this thing needs a little bit of maintenance. I might be planning to do a PS Vita restoration video. So if you want to check that video out, I suggest you subscribe. You know, it's roughly the size of a 15 Pro Max, which is what I'm using to record. It's roughly this the size of that, so that's interesting. Okay. Unboxing experience, I'll give a 5 out of 10, which is not great, but still, it's something. The buttons, they don't feel loose, so that's good. On and off switch. The so it has a memory card. So this one's a jailbroken version according to the seller. So yeah, it has a camera front and back. Not sure what the resolution is. It's still got the serial number and all that, so that's good, that's decent. Headphone jack, I have no idea what that is. Memory card? Oh yeah, memory card slot. A proprietary memory card slot, sadly. So let's turn this on and see if this thing has juice. Oh, turned on. Oh, that's a weird. Oh yeah, it's jailbroken, right? That's a bit annoying. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it at the jailbroken state or if I'm gonna reset it. But yeah. Is this how the Vita on? I don't know. Okay. So this is the Vita. I've never owned one before. No notifications. How do I go to setting? PS4 link. So this could actually remote play with your PS4. So this is already better than, this does more than what the freaking Portal does nowadays. So there's that. So what games do I have here? Okay, so this is all I assume is the, oh, it's got adrenaline. So this is the PSP. Look at that, it's now a PSP. It's got a PSP launcher. Oh, it looks bad because the resolution is kind of shit, but okay. How do I go home? Device, but how do I, okay, there you go. Does it have games though? Oh, there you go. It's got Spider-Man. Ooh, Uncharted, God of War collection. Okay, it's got a decent amount of games. It's got FIFA 22. What? Let's try some of the games, shall we? Start. It's got the first Amazing Spider-Man. Oh, L. Oh my god, I'm playing a PlayStation 3 game. Oh. Okay, the frame rate is kind of bad. How do I web sling? Oh my god, I'm web slinging. It's clearly like downscaled to fit the PS Vita version. Okay, how do I fight? Okay, how do I go home? Okay, so that was the PS Vita. First impressions from this place that I bought. I don't know if I recommend it. I mean, if you're okay with getting a secondhand device that is kind of dirty, then hey, go right ahead. But it's decent. It's okay. It's just I expected something a little bit more flawless, you know. It is what it is. So if you want to see me try and restore this, make it brand new, I suggest you subscribe. And who knows, once I've restored it, I might do a little giveaway, and you might be a lucky one of you to own a PS Vita. That's right. That's all I can do for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.